someone tries to stop you from recording video during a protest.
Or if you're arrested, but you need some medical attention. Our Amanda St. Hilaire gives us a closer look at your protesting rights.
No justice!
No peace!
This is protected speech.
What do we want?
Justice!
Don't take my word for it. It's right there in the First Amendment. The right of the people peaceably to assemble. But what happens to those rights when this happens? Or this?
Get off his neck!
Or this? We went to the experts.
I'm a lawyer here in Milwaukee, specializing in civil and constitutional rights.
I'm the Director of Community Engagement for the ACLU of Wisconsin.
First, the most basic part. You have a right to be there.
A fundamental bedrock principle of our country is that you have the right to have your opinion heard on the street.
Some protests do require permits, but you don't need one to peacefully march on public roads and sidewalks, as long as you're not blocking traffic. And if you're lawfully in a public space, you have a right to record what's happening in plain view.
Democracy does not flourish in the dark. You want to videotape, video record, and share the encounters you have.
Police need a warrant to take your recording or demand to see it. If police are trying to break up a crowd, Milwaukee Police Standard Operating Procedure says they should first try talking to organizers, then identify themselves by name, declare the assembly unlawful, and tell you you'll be arrested if you don't disperse. The ACLU says police should also tell you how much time you have to leave and what exit route you should use. If you do get arrested, you have a right to an attorney, a right to medical treatment if you're hurt, and a right to know who is arresting you and why.
You'll see Sheriff's Department and Police Department will frequently have vests covering their names or conveniently placed cell phones in their pockets so that their name tag is flipped up or carried over.
If that happens, hit record if you can and start asking questions. Of course, you don't have a legal right to put your hands on other people or destroy property, but civil rights advocates say police actions at 2 p.m. should not be a response to what happened at 2 a.m.
None of this is easy. That's why we're doing this story, because you need to know your rights if you're going to stand up for them. Amanda St. Hilaire, Fox 6 News.